Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you create your own Kahoot game. Without further ado, let's get started. Now here in their website, you can sign up by clicking this, create a Kahoot account. Now you have a choice whether you log in using your existed account or using your Google or your Microsoft or Apple account or other account that they have in there. I'm just gonna go with my Google account. Now after logging in or signing up, just choose your account type. You can choose professional, teacher, student, or for family and friends. Now you must enter your birth date. Now after that, you must also create your own username. Now after that, you will be directed in this page where you can now create your own quiz. Now you can change its background, depends on what you like, and you can type your question here. For example, what animal is this? And you can also find and insert media. Since I'm asking an animal, I'm just gonna search for cat. Now here you can type your answers. Is it a dog or is it a duck? Is it a bird or is it a cat? Now just check right here the correct answer, and then you can also add another question or add a slide. You can also choose a question type right here, and then the time limit, and then points. And then once you're done, you can save now your quiz. Just put some title and then click continue. Now once you're done, you will redirect to your home page, and let's just try what we did. Just click right here. Now you can choose whether you play solo or host live. I'm just gonna go with this host live. And now as you can see, it will give us a code for you to share with your friends or family, or they can scan a QR code if they like. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.